Like us, birds have sharp eyes and keen ears, and therefore colorful bodies and melodious calls. Flitting about in the air, they are amongst the most attractive of living creatures around us. Observing their rich variety has therefore been a popular hobby the world over, and we have excellent guidebooks to acquaint us with them. Yet, many birds, such as the Brent fever bird, are often heard but rarely seen. So, a guide to their calls is a most valuable asset. Shri Sharad Apte has made an outstanding contribution in making such a guide available to us.
Nature lovers spontaneously welcomed our CD, Birds of Western Ghats. Their response was overwhelming, and it inspired us to venture on a new project. We are now happy to present to you Birds of Western Ghats Part 2. Like the earlier part, this one too contains musical notes and calls of various birds found in the region of the Western Ghats. We have also tried to analyze and interpret the changing fabric of these calls. We hope you will appreciate our new endeavor.